Hi, and welcome to Cliosoft video tutorial number 1. In this video, we're going to talk about adding patients into the Cliosoft database. If you open up Cliosoft, you'll notice that the front menu is a very easy to navigate front page. We want to keep it very simple and very easy to use. You have 4 buttons on each row with 4 columns. The very first button being Patients. So we're going to go ahead and click on that button. And of course, if you're using a touchpad, you can just touch on the icon. And you'll notice that our patients chart, we have no patients. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a new patient. If you navigate to the left side, you're going to notice that you have a couple of options. You have Select, New, Edit, and Delete. So let's go ahead and click on the New button. And it's going to open up a patient information chart. The very first information piece is going to be the patient ID. What you can do is leave it blank, and the Cliosoft database will automatically assign a default ID number. So we're going to skip over that and just type in the name. And for this demo purpose, I'm going to write in test. Again, you can fill out the rest of the information to whatever preference you'd like, but for this case we're just going to save it as that. And once you save it, if you go back into the patient chart, you're going to notice that our first patient is now there. So if we click on that patient, you'll notice that in the home screen, the patient test is now on the upper left hand corner. Once the patient is chosen, you can go ahead and view all the different exams in that patient. Take intraoral x-rays, intraoral camera pictures, pen. We can import and export pictures and information, and so on and so on. The next button, we have export images, so we can export it into a thumb drive or your desktop. We can email exams. We can print exams. We can mess with the settings of the camera and the intraoral sensors. We can edit layouts, which we'll talk about in a future video. And then, of course, there's support, where it will give you information on how to contact us here at SOTA. Let's go back into patients. And if you wanted to make any changes with this patient, you can hit Edit, where it'll select the patient. Of course, you can highlight it and then hit Edit. Then you can add more information or delete information. So let's say I want to change the first name to something else like SOTA, for example, and save it. Now if I go into patients again, you'll see that the first name is changed. And also we can delete patients by highlighting the patient and then deleting. It'll of course ask you if you're sure you want to delete it. You hit yes, and now the patient is no longer there. So this has been the first video. Hope this has been helpful.